Good morning, morning. How are you? How are you guys? Morning, morning. Happy Thursday. Today, like you guys see here, it's Pickable Day. Yay! I need it. Morning, morning. Morning. Howdy. How are you guys? Okay, so we have Inter right at 22. It needs to hold that level. Nike bouncing really hard out of the 82 level. Celsius is still kind of trying to hold 30. 30, it's gonna be my ultimate stop loss. If cannot hold 30, I'm gonna get out of that, but it, not gonna lie, it's looking very weak so far. Damn, AMD bouncing really hard. Nvidia, Tesla bouncing really hard. So yeah, is the sound off? I haven't changed anything. Let me see. I haven't changed anything on the mic, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe I need a new mic, maybe. How's the music? No music? What about now? Is it still the mic off? I don't know, it's weird because you guys complain about the sound sometimes, and then I rewatch the stream and I don't hear anything weird on the stream. So some people say it's fine, other people say it's too loud, so get it together. So what is too loud? Is the music? Is it me? Okay, it's the mic. Let's see. Okay, let's see. How is it? The mic now. Is it better? Is it scratchy? Is it better? I don't know. Some people say it's better, others say it's too loud. Some people say the music is fine, other people say there's no music. So I don't know how to fix that. Okay, let's see. It's weird because I haven't changed anything. Like nothing from yesterday. It's the same settings. Okay, how is it now? So how is the mic now? Ooh, I like that reaction here on the Q. Better? Okay. So I think I know what it is. How is it now? I think now it should be better. Great? Okay, okay. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. So we have the Q and the SPY bouncing, filled the gap, and now it's reacting. Like, look at this SPY ugly reaction here, 30-minute reaction here. It looks like we're going lower, lower. Let's see. I think if I see, this is the bear flag that I talk about on my Discord. So if I see the Q losing the VWAP, I'm gonna play the downside here. $122 is the level that Nvidia needs to break. Microsoft is still very, very, very weak. Meta is doing nothing. Apple is looking okay. It's looking good. It's about 225, which is great. Let's see if the Q is gonna fill this little gap here. It still have a little bit more, and then maybe we can play a gap close reversal, or I'll wait for 483.50, 483 to break to play the upside. Yeah, it's right now at a pre-market high. Nice bounce on Nike. I like this bounce on Intel. Celsius is still looking weak. AMD crazy strong. Tesla's looking good so far. It needs to break yesterday high. If it can really hold yesterday high, that will be the entry to play the upside on Tesla. Okay, we have the Q completely filling the gap here. Let's see how it's gonna react now. But I do think as long as Nvidia keeps going higher, the Q is gonna keep moving higher. Same thing with Apple. Apple is still moving higher. Oh, we had data in 15? Okay. SPY is looking weak. Look at this ugly reaction here. 568 reaction. Ooh, Nvidia breaking 122. That's an important level for Nvidia. It's kind of weird seeing the Q so strong and SPY not doing anything. In fact, SPY is looking weak. $482, it's a level that we need to watch here. That's the full gap. Yeah, Nvidia is the one that is moving the market. Nvidia flying. Meta now is looking pretty good. But we have data in 10, right? At 10. So far, Tesla is rejecting 250. And the Q is rejecting the gap. Yeah, you guys know what happened when we have the Q and SPY going to different directions, right? It is difficult to trade. I'm not gonna lie, it's been very difficult for me to trade futures this week. Yesterday, I got stop out left and right in the morning, and then in the afternoon, I was able to end up green, but I overtraded. It was very stressful. I don't know. I don't like how I'm been trading lately because I don't know, the market's changing direction. So I guess kind kind of my brain needs to change that. We were swing trading to the upside. Now spine the Q, it's been on a downtrend the past 5 days, even though yesterday was green. We're still on a downtrend. So yeah, it's getting difficult, at least for me. It was difficult before because we were trading at all-time high, and now we're kind of changing direction, and with a lot of news. Look at Nvidia's flying. So to trade Nvidia now, we need a pullback to 122 for a real hold above 122, and that will be our entry to play the upside continuation on Nvidia. Can we get a 566 retest here on SPY? So far I like this, how it's looking. We're rejecting yesterday's close. We pretty much, it looks like a gap close reversal so far here on the Q. If it wasn't because we have data in 10, I might be looking to play this rejection here, possible rejection. Yeah, AMD and Nvidia both look pretty much the same. The Q needs to break 482. Apple is holding very, very good. Also, looks pretty bullish. So to trade Nvidia, I'm pretty much waiting for a pullback here to 122, and then we play the bounce there. 122 or the VWAP. That will be yeah, perfect entry for Nvidia. I don't know if we're gonna have it, but that's what I'm waiting here. SPY is still on a very clean downtrend. Look at this daily downtrend here. I like more Nvidia if it comes to what's the SMCI? I like more Nvidia, it's cheaper, and it both move pretty much this identical, so I like more Nvidia. Cheaper, more volume also. Oof, that was a perfect Intel bounce out of 22. That was perfection. So we have this level here. That spine needs to break. And it still have a little gap here. Let's see if we can have Nvidia pull back to 122. PDD, guys, the PDD trade is done. I don't even watch that one. Like, the trade is more than done. Ooh, you know what? It looks very interesting. Microsoft holding the VWAP. Microsoft has been down a lot the past 2 days. I think Microsoft could be a very good risk to reward here play. Yes. And I'm gonna take it because I already have too many options open. But I do think it looks very good. Microsoft could easily move to 426. The trade will be putting a stop loss at today's low and then just hold it for a move till 420. I will say 427, even 427. Okay, that's a very strong move. We had a very strong move on the Q, but the Q is still on inside a big range that it moved yesterday. 483.50, 483 resistance, and 478 support. The Q needs to break out of this range here. And SPY is still weak under yesterday's close. But we have individual stocks looking very strong, like Nvidia. Okay, this is a real level that the queue needs to break. That's the real one. And on NQs like 20, 95, 85, around there. Okay, we got data out. Whoa. Damn. That's insane. Okay, we're still not breaking any important levels here. Okay, the market is looking very strong, but still no breaking resistance. So we gotta be patient here. Okay, that's definitely a strong break. Damn, that's insane. Okay, so we have the Q right at yesterday high. We need to break that level. Still, we're having reactions here. Nvidia is starting to look a little bit tired. Nasdaq is rejecting 2080. AMD crazy strong. That's an ugly wig. Ugly wig. We need to be patient here and wait and see if we're really gonna hold here. So far, it looks very bullish. But I want to see a strong candles closing above resistance, and then we wait for a little bit of consolidation to enter. Or pullbacks. Okay, so nice break there. Morning, Robert. Yeah, Microsoft is looking pretty good. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's awesome. When did you apply for payment? On the 1st or today? Last night? I think I'm gonna apply for payment on the 15th. Oh, this morning? Okay. Oh no. That's awesome. This morning? That's crazy. Well, I think they're trying to do everything perfect because of FTT having a lot of drama. So they're the only ones beside FTT that are providing funded accounts, and they have trade of 8. So it's their time to do it right so they can gain those customers. Yeah, that's Tradeify that I'm talking about. You can buy straight to funded accounts. That's the one that I talked about yesterday, and I haven't applied for payment yet because I don't trade that funded accounts every single day. I have it there because I'm trying it out. I think it's very good that we're having every single day more and more prop firms coming out, so that way we can try them out and then see which one are better for us, right? We can pick and choose. That's pretty good for us as customers. I have two 50k accounts funded 50k accounts. Flexi trade? I never heard of that one. so far, my favorite prop firm is my funded futures. They pay so fast and it's so easy to use. The only thing is that you can only use up to 3 funded accounts. Like you can only use up to 3. You can only copy trade up to 3 funded accounts, which is that's why I don't use it like every day. I use it like a side hustle. If I want to make money fast and I want to get paid fast, I use my funded accounts. But my main one is Apex because I can copy trade with 20 accounts. But they take forever to pay. So what I do is I use as a main accounts Apex. I copy trade on Apex. And then, yes, I apply for payments and they take like 20 days. Doesn't matter to me because I'm using my funded account as the one that I can apply for payment constantly. Now, like, the market is going up so fast, no pullbacks, that I don't know what to trade here. I cannot trade this. These will be chasing. We need pullbacks. $124, $125 is strong resistance on Nvidia. $570. SPY is too far from $570. Tesla is still not able to break 250. It needs to break 250. I will say 251, which is around yesterday high. Ooh, that's ugly. What the heck? What the heck? I wanted a pullback, but not that. I wanted a pullback, but not that type of pullbacks. Because that is not a pullback that I want to trade. Oh, we have Russian news. Okay, so that's how do we trade this? Like I said earlier, it's been very difficult for me to trade. First of all, the past few, like I will say 2 weeks, this week especially with so many news coming up, data, and then last week we've been at near all-time high, so it's been tricky. It's been very tricky. That's ugly. That's ugly. Look at these 30-minute candles here. Ugly, ugly reactions. But when it comes to a market with so many news, technical analysis don't really matter. We have Nvidia bouncing out of the VWAP, which is pretty bullish. Whoa, what a move. What a move. I'm just gonna say, like, be careful, because one of these candles can make it or break your accounts, especially if you're trading funded accounts or evals, but it doesn't matter much if you're trading evals. But your funded accounts, this is where you lose your money. Yes, we move strongly in the morning, but again, we're still technically on a downtrend. Look at the daily chart. Nvidia is not. Nvidia got out of that downtrend that it had the past 5 days. It broke out of that downtrend, but SPY is still on a downtrend. Same thing with the Q. Same thing with Apple and Microsoft. Same thing with Tesla. I think if you guys were able to get to be green this morning, just doesn't matter if you're flat, just get out of here, because this market is not good for trading. It's good to FOMO, watching these huge candles and then lose your money. Nvidia is really trying to hold the view up. I think with this type of market move and candlesticks, I think it's better to trade options when it comes to holding your position when it's moving in a range. With futures, one candle can blow up your account. One of these candles. And it's definitely a market to just scalp. Be in and out fast. This reaction here could be interesting. Look at this 30-minute candle here. That's ugly, ugly. Whoa. Okay, Nvidia is losing the VWAP. Everything is losing the VWAP. That's a huge move for everything. Celsius is under 30. Waiting to see if it's really gonna close under 30 or it's just gonna keep bouncing around there. Looks like I'm not gonna try today. I don't like this. Okay, we have Nvidia bouncing out of 122. This is ugly. This is ugly. I like that Nvidia bounce there. It's holding 122. It's trying to hold the VWAP. If you're feeling risky, I think that's your entry. I'm not taking any trades on these weird market move, huge candles. Okay, Nvidia's losing it now. During this choppiness, you can have many entries. The thing is, like, why trading this choppiness? Why? Like, give me a good reason to trade this. The only reason that I see to trade this is if you want to lose money. Just throw in your money to the toilet already. Just give me your money. If you want to trade this, just give me your money straight away. Like, why? Why trading something that is looking super high, super risky, extremely risky? The only thing that I see why somebody would trade this is because that person have on their mind that it can make millions because they can catch one of these huge candles, which in reality most of the time is the other way around. The funny thing is, like, the Q is still inside the same range. Look at this. Yes, we had a huge candle above, but look at this ugly reaction here. We're still on the same ugly range. Today is the third day on this range. And again, we're still on a clean downtrend. Dun, 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 dun. And we have one Fed that is gonna speak soon. Yeah, guys, I'm not trading these. I'm sorry. This week it's been very boring, the stream, but I'm not trading this. Like, I don't think it's worth it. Hopefully we have a next week way better, but yeah, I'm not trading this. I'm not gonna lose money here. So I'll see you guys on Monday because I'm not trading tomorrow. This week it's been extremely stressful for me. Let's talk about that. So what we had on this week, it's been a lot of choppiness. At least for me, it's been extremely stressful trading futures this week. And I don't think it's worth it. You guys know that on Fridays are my worst days. I always talk about that. So I'm not putting my money on the line on a week that it's been already very difficult to trade tomorrow. And hopefully change things around. Yes, I had a green day yesterday. I also had a green day on Monday. I'm sorry, not Monday. Tuesday? I don't remember my TradeZilla. Let's go to TradeZilla. Let's go with this week. Yeah, I was very green yesterday. I want to go on the 20 this week. Okay, so yeah, I ended, but look at the amount of trade that I've been doing the past 2 days because it's been very stressful. I was red on Monday, green on Sunday, green yesterday, and on Tuesday. So basically, I'm so far green this week, but it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter if I'm making money or not. What it matters to me, how difficult or easy it is. If their setups were good, if I felt comfortable trading, but yeah, it's been very difficult, very difficult. And I was feeling a lot of FOMO yesterday, and I was feeling same on Tuesday. I've been over trading this I will say this entire week. I've been over trading, and it's weird that I'm green, but I don't like how I made that money. I don't know if it makes sense to you guys, but I don't like how I've been making that money because it's putting a lot of stress in me. I can't wait to go on vacation at the end of the month. I'm going on a week vacation. We have another bounce here. So APEX. Oh, one thing that I wanted to talk about is the new My Funded Futures accounts. I passed 3 yesterday and they're so good. So APEX, it's still 80% off. Which is still very cheap, and you can still you have still until next week to pass your accounts and pay only $85 for the funded account for the PAs. And My Funded Future, the new My Funded Futures accounts. Let's talk about that one, because those ones, I think those are my favorite accounts right now. Yeah, the Started Plus. So no, I don't have Instagram, like not for trading. So this new account, I used the 50K account on my funded futures. I used to use both the expert and started. Now I'm using this new one that is 20% off. The difference is there's no consistency rules when it goes to funded, which is huge. Most, like Apex had 30%, I think it's 30% consistency rule. FTT has 20%. Also Tradify, the accounts that it goes straight to funded, most of those accounts have 20% consistency rule, which is not easy to follow. But with this new FTT account, it has no consistency rule. So you basically can make your money and then just apply for payment. I think it's every 5 days or something like that. And like I said before, my funded future is the best one when it comes to getting your money fast. Like, I don't think there's any other prop firm that you apply for payment the same day and you get the money the same day. Like, it is so freaking fast. I love it. And their dashboard is very easy to go through. Everything is very easy with my funded features compared to Apex. Do I have a coupon code? It's right in front of you. You have it right there. You have it right there. Like, right there. Look up. But yeah, I think right now is definitely the best account is this one in the market. Started Plus from my funded futures. I don't think there's any other prop firm that is offering these rules. Yeah, you can copy trade. You can use trading Tradeovate. And with my funded futures, you can copy trade up to 3 funded accounts. What I do is that I use my 3 funded accounts and I add like 3-5 evals, and then I just trade them. I copy trade them all together, and then whatever past them, I just have it in the back end just in case if I blow up a funded account. So yeah, I think it's getting really good. The entire prop firm environment, because they're having a lot of competitions, right? We have my funded futures, we had Apex, we have FTT, we have Bullnox, Top Step. We're having so many that they need to work to gain their customers, right? So we are the one that we can try different prop firms, and then we decide which one we like the most. So far, my favorite one is my funded futures. The only thing that I don't like is that I cannot copy trade with 20 funded accounts, and that's why I'm using Apex. But other than that, if you're a beginner and you want to try it out using prop firms, my funded futures is the one. It's definitely the one. Then if you're getting paid constantly, you want to try it out something a little bit more risky and cheaper, use Apex. But other than that, my funded future definitely for me is the one that I always say. I always get DMs of people asking me, I want to start, but I don't know where to start. This is the one, my funded futures, by far. It's a little bit more expensive, but it have definitely way better rules than Apex. If you want something cheaper, but it's a little bit more difficult because of their rules are a little bit more strict, go with Apex. So I will say, if you have no patience, if you have no patience, go with Apex. You can buy a bunch of evals and just try to pass them fast. If you have patience and you want something that is really, really, really good, use my funded futures. It's a little bit more, like I said, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely worth it. I don't have any problems with Topstead. I just don't use it. If you guys don't wanna go through any evals and you just wanna go straight to funded, go and use Tradify. Tradify is the only one that I see that you can use. Tradeovate, you can copy trade. Right now you can copy trade up to 5 funded accounts, but you can copy trade 20 of the not funded accounts. So what I'm gonna do is, after I'm getting my first payment with Tradify, I'm only using 2 accounts right now, 2 funded accounts. So what I'm gonna do is use that money and buy 3 funded accounts. So basically those funded accounts are free. And then with the money that I make from those 5 funded accounts, I'm gonna start building up my evals, and then just trade them slowly so I can get up to 20 funded accounts, and then I'll be having like over 40 accounts in total. So I have 20 Apex accounts. I'm gonna have in the future 20 Tradified accounts. I have 3 my funded futures accounts, and that way you can cycle your money. You use the money that I think this is the best way to use Profirm. You buy 1 account, you pass that account, or if you want to buy straight to funded, just go straight to funded. You make money on that account. With the money that you make from that account, you pay for another one. And then you keep doing that over and over and over again until you build up all your accounts. And then you just go, I'm gonna have like over 40 PAs, like funded accounts. I just need 1 base hit trade on each one, and then apply for payments here and there. I'm gonna have that money different times on my bank account. So basically, I trade with Apex, apply for payment. I know Apex lasts like 3 weeks, 2 weeks to pay me. That's fine. I know that money is gonna come in like 20 days. Then I apply on my funded futures. My funded future is pretty much like right away. I get my payments right away, so I can use that money and recycle it over and over again. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but I am. So basically, that way your accounts are free. Free. It's free money. If you're patient enough to go that route. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. If you have any questions, just send me a DM on Discord. But yeah, see you next week. I'm not trading this. Bye. Thank you.